welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Malika. How's everybody doing during this quarantine, during this pandemic, everything? How are you guys doing? I would like to hear from you down in the comment box below. This tutorial is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to talk to you guys through it. I'm going to vent. I'm going to tell you what I've been up to. So it's going to be kind of a chit chat, get ready with me, but I'm not getting fully ready, just doing my makeup and stuff. But yeah, chit chat with me, get ready with me, and I want to catch up with you guys. Let me know what you've been up to down in the comment box below, and stay tuned. Okay, so I've already done my brows and moisturized my face off camera. Now I'm going to prime my skin with some LA Colors face primer. You can find this at your local hair store or maybe even Walgreens, wherever they sell LA Colors. But I really like this primer. It does the job, and it was only like $6. So what have you queens been up to? What have you been getting into during this quarantine / shutdown? I know some states are still in shutdown mode, or they're going back to shutdown mode. So what have you queens been up to keep your mind away from what's been going on in the world? Let me know down in the comment box below. Chit chat with me. Let me know what you've been into. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my foundation. This is the ColourPop tinted moisturizer. It's not technically a foundation, but it works just like one. I love this foundation, guys. Let me just squirt some on the back of my beauty blender and go right in. As far as I go, I've been pretty much trying to keep away from social media as much as possible, even though it's hard because I'm sort of kind of an influencer when it comes to beauty. So it's been kind of hard to stay off of social media and see what's been happening lately in the world. It's kind of depressing, so to detox from it feels good, but also having to keep up with being, what's the word I'm looking for, with being current with what's going on in the beauty industry is very hard to like stay away from one. So I've been trying to just keep busy with my children. I have a podcast now. I've been trying to work on that. We do have 2 episodes out now on Apple and Spotify. So I'm going to leave the link to my podcast with my best friend down below, and you guys check that out. Our audio kind of sucks right now because we're using my camera and calling each other. So it kind of sounds horrible. We're waiting on our microphones to come in the mail, and they're on back stock. So we've been waiting on that, but we've decided to just travel to each other so that we won't be in separate locations. So hopefully we'll get episode 3 out to you very soon with better quality audio. We're gonna cross our fingers on that one. But I haven't really been doing much, just enjoying my family. Family time it means a lot to me, so enjoying my family. My sister has come down maybe once or twice, like she's come down to visit since I've gotten back from Atlanta. If you guys don't know, I moved back home to Mississippi right when the pandemic hit. So I'm no longer in Atlanta, Georgia. But yeah, my sister has come down probably 3 times already. But I've been enjoying family. I wanted to take a trip to Orlando, Florida, since the beaches are open, but recently Florida has hit a new record of the highest in a certain amount of days as far as coronavirus goes, so we canceled that. Yeah, life has been up and down with this pandemic, with Black Lives Matter, with all these people being killed by police. It's just been a lot. So in order for me to decompress from it, I like to do my makeup. So I love playing in makeup all day long if I could. I like playing in wigs, ordering new wigs, or finding a new wig in the hair store. So that's what I've been pretty much doing to try to keep my mind off of what's going on, but still stay current so that I know what's going on and I'm not just unaware. So yeah, I want to join a gym, so I've been doing some at-home workouts just to relax and decompress. I also started self-care Sunday with my best friends, where we get together and do something that's relaxing, that takes our mind off of everything that's going on. So I am doing that with my best friends here in Mississippi. So that's fun. We went for walks on the first 2 self-care days, and this time we're going to do a wine tasting. So I'm excited about that. Something to look forward to, so that you just won't get wrapped up in what's going on and your mood is all down now. So yeah, try to do as much as possible to keep my mind off of it but still stay current, if that makes sense. Okay, so I just used my ColourPop concealer to conceal my face, but I did not mention, and I'm sorry, I'm getting carried away in our conversation, but that was ColourPop concealer. That was in the shade medium dark 145W, if anybody wanted to know. Okay, now I'm gonna take my RK by Kiss contour palette, and I'm gonna contour my face with the top 2. I'll mix those together, and I'm gonna apply it with my Morphe E20 brush. But yeah, I've been trying to keep busy with the kids, keep busy with my husband, and just not get so wrapped up in what's happening outside. So tell me what you guys feel about the pandemic and politics. Even politics are crazy. I don't even want to get into politics. It's just a lot going on with that. I hope everybody goes out and vote. Don't forget to do that. Please don't forget to vote. That's all I'm gonna say there. Drop mic. But yeah, I've been trying to keep busy. You guys tell me what you've been doing, what type of hobbies you've been into. Have you went back to work yet? Like, what's going on with you queens? How are you guys feeling about what's going on in the world today? Oh yeah, and also if you have any topics you'd like to hear from me and my best friend on our podcast, please let us know. We're gonna try to dibble and dabble into everything. So yeah, let us know what you like to hear, what type of topics you want to hear, viewpoints, etc., etc. Anything goes. Sex, money, finances, everything, business, owning, everything. Just lay your comments out down below, and I'll write them all down and we'll discuss them on MINX. Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast. Please don't, guys. I want you to hear what we have to say, because we talk so much. Like, we decided one day, hey, let's do a podcast. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. It's MINX, MINX, and it's me and my best friend Naomi. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast. Now I'm going to contour the sides of my nose, the bridge of my nose rather. Okay, now I'm going to set my face with some translucent powder. This is by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just going to place it everywhere that I concealed. If this mirror don't stop moving, we're gonna fight. We're gonna fight. Anyway, I'm trying not to shop so much online. That has been like the only thing fun to do, literally, is buy stuff online that you see. But I have ordered some new lashes that I want you guys to see. I've been like really into getting certain type of lashes, different type of lashes like that. But I also have some skincare routine coming your way. I've gotten some skincare sent to me, so I'm excited about that because I love skincare. I love a good skincare. Right now I'm using Kate Somerville Exfoliate, and I love it. I've been using it for years, and I've recently gotten my husband to try it, and he likes it. I really want my sister to try it because she's trying to find a good skincare, and I've been telling her to try Kate Somerville. So yeah, if you guys are looking for a good skincare, definitely try Kate Somerville. It's about $30 for a tube about this size. So yeah, get into it. Okay, now I'm going to contour my face with some powder contour. This is also by RK Kiss, and you can find this in your hair store. It's a really cheap, good palette to use for contouring. So I'm gonna go over where I contoured and just buff it out. Now I'm gonna go over the bridge of my nose. For blush, I'm gonna use my MAC Burnt Pepper blush. Okay, now we're gonna hop into our eyes. I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. This is a throwback, but I love it. Okay. So the first shade I'm gonna take is called Saturn. It's right here. And I'm gonna pop it into my crease. I'm using my MAC 224 brush. Make sure you get the whole eyelid and kind of drag it out at the end. Oh yeah, as far as my children go, everybody is doing fine. Grayson is 1 now. He turned 1 last November. Hunter is a 7-year-old. I have a 7-year-old going on 70. So he's the big boy. They don't want any, well, Hunter doesn't want any more siblings, which is awesome. I don't know about Grayson, we gotta find out later. But I don't know if I want more children. Like, I'm pretty okay with the 2 I have. But if I could make a definite decision, I would have 1 more, just 1. And hopefully it'd be a girl so that I won't be like stuck with 4 boys. Yeah, 4 boys, including my husband. I can't. It's already 3 of them. If I had 4, it wouldn't work. But yeah, as far as children go, I am optimistic about it. Okay, so now I'm going to take Parallel right here, and I'm using my Morphe E27 brush, and I'm going to just pop it on the outer corner of my eyelid. I really want a smaller brush. Let's use this one. I'm going to take my Anastasia A10 brush and use to blend out this color. I'm just placing on an outer V, patting it in first, and then dragging it into the inner corner. Now I'm going to go back with Saturn and go over top. Now I'm going to take my eyeshadow primer by Anastasia Beverly Hills and cut my crease out. Now I'm going to take the color Throne, this emerald green shade right here. I'm going to go over my lid. Now I'm going to go back with Parallel and just clean up the ends. Now I'm going to apply some NYX liner just to the lid. Now I'm going to apply Parallel to the bottom lash line. Also, if you own a business, please tag your business down below. I would love to check it out. Now I'm going to apply some mascara. This is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now I'm going to spray my face with some Maybelline Lasting Fix Spray. Alright queens, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial slash chit chat. I hope that you are doing well. I hope that everybody has an amazing weekend, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye.